तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान खुदा सी है सभी करे तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे खुदा सी है सारे को हमें रखे तुझा A scientific thought can make us learn about the world and even small things. So now I would like to invite Swastika to tell us the thought of the day. Swastika, please.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is science know no boundaries and its discoveries have the power to change the world. Thank you.
Learning a word every day can improve our vocabulary. So now I would like to call Gunjan to add a new word in our vocabulary. Gunjan, please. Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is microgravity, spelled microgravity, meaning a condition in space in which only minuscule force are experienced, virtually absence of gravity. Sentence: they quickly found it difficult to walk around normally in microgravity. Thank you and have a nice day. Hearing news every day is a good and a never-ending habit. We should always inculcate this type of habit, which shows our awareness towards our nation. So I would like to invite Shrishti to tell the news headlines of the day. Shrishti, please.
Good morning, all of you. News headlines are international news. First in the Stone Temple in Abu Dhabi set to open for public on 1 March. National news. PM Modi introduces 4 Gaganyaan astronauts to world, says they will take dreams of 140 crores Indians to space. Sports news. The Breakers are embracing the underdog tag ahead of tonight's to do against the Australian NBL playoff game against the Sydney Kings. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, as I tell, the theme of our morning assembly is National Science Day. So I would like to ask Anya to tell us more about it. Anya, please.
It is honor for me. It is an honor for me to stand before you today on the special occasion, National Science Day. National Science Day is our celebration of scientific research and discovery mark the anniversary of the discovery of Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman on February 28, 1928. This day commemorates the remarkable contribution of scientists, promotes the scientific temperament, and highlights the importance of science in our lives. C.V. Raman's discovery of the phenomena of the light scattering is celebrated on National Science Day. The Raman effect is the name given to this phenomenon. On February 28, 1928, C.V. Raman and K.S. Krishnan, one of his students, made the discovery. Science serves as the backbone of the economic growth and boosts industries, improves healthcare, and contributes the improvements in agriculture to ensure food scarcity. In, in addition, scientific education research are crucial for training a skilled workforce, promoting entrepreneurship, and positioning India as a global leader in various scientific fields. Thank you and have a nice day.
Is there any birthday celebration today?
Thank you everyone for making my day special.
Now, I would like to call our beloved principal ma'am for her motivational word. Ma'am, please.